Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Sceptre monitor black screen, no signal, power reset and cable troubleshooting. What causes Sceptre monitor black screen? It may be due to locked up control board as residual static electricity builds up in the monitor's capacitors, causing the internal logic board to freeze. Or might be due to signal mismatch or loss. The computer's graphic drivers crashes or the monitor fails to automatically detect which port is sending a video signal. Or it might be due to loose or blocked connections, as heavy aftermarket monitor mounts can physically prevent video cables from seating fully into the ports. Or it might be due to hardware failure. The external power adapter brick stops delivering steady voltage, or the internal LED backlight strips burn out over time. First, reset the GPU. To do it, press Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B to restart a crashed Windows graphics driver. Or reset the cables. First, unplug and firmly reinsert your HDMI or DisplayPort cable on the dedicated graphics card port, not the motherboard. Next, change the input source. Now press the source/input button on the monitor to manually select the correct active port. Example HDMI 1 GP. After that, test the backlight. Shine a smartphone flashlight closely at the dark screen. If you see faint images, the internal LED backlight strip has failed and needs professional replacement. 6. 1. Perform a hard power reset. Disconnect the power cord and video cables HDMI/display port from the back of the monitor. Then press and hold the physical power button on the monitor for 30 seconds. Now leave the monitor completely disconnected for 5 to 10 minutes. Then plug the power cord directly into the wall outlet. Bypass power stripes and reconnect your video cable. 6. 2. Reset the graphics drivers. Windows only. Press Windows key plus Control plus Shift plus B simultaneously. Now your system will beep and the screen will flicker while forcing the GPU driver to restart. 6. 3. Check and replace the cables. First, push the HDMI or DisplayPort cable firmly into both the monitor and the GPU. Then ensure the video cable is plugged directly into the dedicated graphics card GPU ports at the bottom of your PC tower, not the motherboard ports near the top. Then test a completely different, non-working HDMI or DisplayPort cable. And if your monitor is mounted to an aftermarket arm, check that the mounting plate isn't pressuring against the plastic casing and preventing the video cable from seating fully into the port. 6. Input source mismatch. Locate the source/input button on the back or bottom edge of the monitor casing. Then manually cycle through the options, example HDMI 1, HDMI 2, GP, until it matches the port you are utilizing. 6. 5. Check for power supply failures. Check the LED indicator light on the front or bottom frame. If there is no light at all, the power adapter brick may be defective. So try swapping out the power cord or the external power brick with a matching replacement power supply. 6. 6. Diagnose a dead backlight. Turn on the monitor in a dark room and shine a smartphone flashlight directly at the screen from the few inches away. Look closely for faint text, a logo, or desktop icons. If you can see faint images under the flashlight, the LED backlight strip or inverter board has failed. The monitor will require a professional internal component repair or replacement. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.